I think.
What's your last name? Chambers. Chambers?
Yes. And I want to take a picture of Olivia.
I'm doing a movie. Hold on.
Missy.
Hold on. I'll let you see in a minute. Tell me something. Dan, what's on your diaper?
What's it? What?
What is it?
No.
What are those?
Dragon butterfly.
Dragon buddy flies.
Ow. Missy. Missy.
Margo, say something to the camera.
Bante Guveyhante.
No, say something that we can understand.
Okay. Hi Olivia. Hi Daniel. And hi Mark.
Now, what do you say?
Hi Margo. Hi Margo.
And then what else? Today is Olivia's birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Say I love you.
I love you.